Welcome to Python Programming Language video tutorials by TalentShine India Private Limited. I am your host Babu sir, Technical Quant Logical Reasoning Trainer. In my previous tutorial, I have discussed Introduction to Dictionary Data Structure, and we have discussed how to create an empty dictionary using multiple ways. Now, in this tutorial, I would like to discuss how to add key value pairs into an empty dictionary. And we also discuss update method. Without wasting much time, let's start and begin with how to add or append key value pairs into an empty dictionary. Now, let us write it over here. Adding or appending key value pairs into an empty dictionary. Now, so for better understanding, let me take an example so that you could understand. Let us take one dictionary name, that is what A. So here A is what? Dictionary. So here I'm going to take curly brackets. As we discussed already in my previous tutorial, to represent an empty dictionary, we are going to use curly brackets. So here A is what? A dictionary. Right? Now let us add a key value pairs into this empty dictionary. So for that, let me write here dictionary name, that is A of, here you have to pass keys. So take the square brackets, inside the square brackets, so try to pass keys and then assignment operator and then pass values here. So you just try to write your value for this key. Now, for example, let me take here the key as 1 and value as ONE. So which means this key value pair will be added into this empty dictionary. Now, if you want to add one more key value pair, approach remains same. So you just try to pass key and then value. So this is what the first key value pair, and this is the second key value pair. If you want to pass third key value pair, so approach remains same. Let us write so A of 3 equal to THRE. Now, if you print A, so output will be what here? So output will be 1 ONE and then comma 2 TWO. Next one is 3 THRE. So this is what the output we will be getting. So it is quite easy to add key value pairs into an empty dictionary. Now, let us execute the same thing in my IDE. So let us take one empty dictionary and then, so A of, here you have to pass key and then let us write ONE and then A of 2, which is equal to, so let us write here TWO. Next, let us write here A of 3, so which is equal to THRE. Now let us execute it by using print statement A. Now you will be see the output over here, that is so 1 1 2 2 3 3. So three key value pairs, three elements has been added into this empty dictionary. So I hope you could understand what I have conveyed. Now, so if you want to add one more key value pair, so where already the key is present in the dictionary. Now let us try for adding one more key which is already present in the existing dictionary. So already one is there, right? So I'm going to use again, and I'm writing here new value, that is ONE. You just try to observe here, all are in lowercase, here all are in uppercase. If you have executed, so when key is already present in the dictionary, the value will be updated. Value will be updated. You could see over here, right? So it won't generate a new key value pair. So it will update the value. when key is already present inside the dictionary. So I hope you could understand what I have conveyed over here, right? Now, let me take one more example so that you could understand more better way. Let us take A is equal to one empty dictionary, and I'm going to take A of, so one string I'm passing here, so that is eyes. So which are going to assign for watching. Now let us take A of next nose, and which is equal to smell. Now let me print A. You could see a dictionary has been created. Now let us take one existing dictionary and try to add new key value pair. Now let me erase this. So let me take B equal to, so one dictionary. Right, I have taken one dictionary over here. Now I would like to add one more key value pair into this dictionary. So for that, so here dictionary name is B. So B of, so let me write here. So that is legs. So which is equal to, I'm using here for walking or running. So as per your requirement, you could write here the value. Right now, so let us print B and execute it. Now you could see what output we are getting. So I hope it is clear to everybody. Now, let us go back and discuss the next method, that is update method. Let me write it over here. Update method. What is the use of this update method? So this method will be used to add or append multiple key value pairs at a time. So we can add multiple key value pairs using this update method. So it seems to be like a extend method from the list. Now let me write the syntax so that you could understand in a better way. So you have to write the dictionary name. So let me write dictionary name here is A dot. So let us write here update. So this method holds one parameter, that is other. I will tell you, so what you can pass instead of other. So this is what one parameter, so that holding by update method. So here you may pass the first one, another dictionary. Right? So when you pass here another dictionary, whatever the key value pairs are there in this particular dictionary, that will be added and updated in dictionary A. So here A will be updated. Dictionary A will be updated. Right? So, or else you may pass here keyword arguments. You may pass here keyword arguments. And the third one is you may pass list of tuples, or you may pass list of lists. So as per your requirement, you can pass at this other parameter. Now let us see the example for all these things one upon one. Now let's go back to my IDE. So let us remove this one. Now, so I have taken, so one dictionary, that is B, or else let me change the name as A. So let us take one more dictionary, that is B. So here B is having, so three key value pairs. Let me write here. So 1:1, 2:2. Let us write 3:3. Now I would like to update A. So whatever the key value pairs which are there in B, so I would like to add into A. So at a time, if you want to add multiple key value pairs into A, so write here A dot update of B. So try to pass B. So when you pass B here, so what is happening? A will be updated. So let us print A. And you could see. So all these three key value pairs has been added. So I hope the idea is clear. Now, so let me give one more example, right? Now here I'm going to take one more element. So that is what ice. So here ice is the key. And then, so for ice we have watching, and let me write uppercase letters. Now this key is already there in A. So we are going to update all these key value pairs into A. Now what will happen? Let us see. Now you could see here, instead of lowercase letters, so uppercase letters has been placed. Right? So I hope the idea is clear to everybody. Like you just try to observe the difference so that you could understand in a better way. Now let's go back and see the next one, keyword arguments. So let us write here. So let me erase the B and let me erase this statement as well. Now what I'm going to do, instead of B, what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to take here keyword arguments. A, capital A, colon, 1. So since it is a keyword argument, so what we have to do? So we have to write, so capital A equal to 1. Let me write capital B equal to 2. Now capital C equal to 3. Now capital D equal to, I am writing here 4. Now let me print A. Let me print A. Now you could see the output. Now all these keyword arguments, right? A, B, C, D. So all these are what? So keyword arguments, right? So these are the values, right? So now these keyword arguments becomes what? Keys. And 1, 2, 3, and this FOUR becomes what? Values for the corresponding keys. Now you could see what will happen. So already ice, watching, no, smell is there. And from there onwards, a new key value pairs has been added. Right? So if it is clear, now let's go back and see the next one, list of tuples. So at this update method, you may pass list of tuples as well. So now I'm going to pass here list of, so list I have taken. Now let us pass the tuples. So that is, let me take small a, comma, 1. Next tuple I am taking small b, comma, 2. Now let us take the next tuple small c, comma, 3. Now let me execute it and let us see the output. So newly 3 more key value pairs has been added. So this is what, so we have passed here list of tuples. And finally, let us add list of lists as well. So same example, instead of tuple, let me take list. So here I'm going to take list. Now let us execute it. Now you could see the same output, we got it. So I hope the idea of these methods is clear to everybody. So if you clearly understood, so what I have conveyed in this presentation, so please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.